Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to dive into the latest and greatest update from OpenAI. That's right, OpenAI has just released a brand new update for ChatGPT. To check if you're using latest version, go to chat.openai.com/chat. At the bottom of the screen, you will see ChatGPT Jan 30 version. To read more about new update, click on this link. In this, we can see the release notes for Jan 30. We have upgraded the ChatGPT model with improved factuality and mathematical capabilities. I wanted to check how will it perform in mathematics. So I have given few of the questions as a prompt, but I have mostly noticed that most of the answers were wrong. You can see here it has calculated 13 minus 18 plus 2 as minus 1, which is wrong. The second question was what is the absolute value? This is correct. And third question was about multiplication. This is also wrong. And the fourth question was what is the radius of a circle that has a circumference of 3.14 meters? It has calculated as 1.57 meters, which is actually wrong. Looks like mathematical capabilities still need some kind of improvement, which I'm sure OpenAI will be working on. So let's look into another update. For factual accuracy, they are tuning the GPT system with more latest data, so we should be able to get correct answers based on our search.
If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.